Motion video number 5. A cardinal flies with a velocity of 1.5 meters per second west. If he flies for 300 seconds, what is his displacement? First, we need to list our variables. In this case, we've been given velocity because we have a direction. So velocity is equal to 1.5 meters per second. West. The time that we are traveling, which we've also been given, is 300 seconds. And displacement is what we're looking for. Next, what you want to do is state the equation you are going to use to solve. So because of the variables that we have, it makes sense for us to work with our velocity formula, where velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. We have our value for velocity, and we have our value for time. What we are going to be looking for is displacement. Next, we're going to show our work. So we will put in our values that we have. So our velocity is equal to 1.5 meters per second west. Our displacement we don't know, so I'm going to keep that variable there as it is. But I do know my value for time, which is 300 seconds. We are trying to solve for displacement. Right now, displacement is being divided by 300 seconds. To get displacement by itself, we will have to do the opposite math operation, which would be to multiply. So I will show that work. 1.5 meters per second west times 300 seconds. That will be equal to our displacement. Once I type in that operation, 1.5 times 300, the value that I get is 450. When I multiply meters per second by seconds, the seconds cancel out, and we will be left with meters, which is an appropriate unit for displacement. We need to worry about our significant digits. So we go to our original question. The numbers that we used, our velocity has 2 digits and our time has 3 digits. Our answer has to be to the least number of significant digits, which is 2. I can't just change 450 meters to 45 meters. That is not correct. I have 2 options. I can put this into scientific notation, which is 4.5 times 10 to the 2. Or I convert it into kilometers, which would be 0.5 kilometers, or 0.45 kilometers. To see these conversions, refer to the videos in the measurement section on D2L. We need to include units, which is what we have in both answers, and we also need to include direction. Because our direction was west when we were traveling our velocity, our final answer will also be west. Stating all of these things is part of your marks in your final answer, so you need to make sure that you do that. So either 4.5 times 10 to the 2 meters west or 0.545 meters west.